All right. Now we have Matthew. Is it better to buy ETFs or just pick a few good stocks myself? Okay. So there's a lot to unpack here. I think just to answer the question, buying the ETF is the better route. Now let's take a step back. What is an ETF? An ETF, just for all intents and purposes, it's a group of stocks, right? So you can look at, for example, again, this is not I'm not soliciting a sale here. At the SPY, right? So that's the ETF that monitors or that tracks the S&P 500, which is the 500 biggest stocks here in the US. Basically, what that does is that you're buying a little bit of a bunch of different companies. Sorry, a little bit of a bunch of different companies. And what that does is that it diversifies out your risk, right? So if one company does bad and the others do well, the market should go up like that. The risk you're taking by picking one stock, whatever, insert stock name here, is that you're, in essence, putting all your eggs in one basket, right? Now, with more risk comes more reward, right? If that stock goes up 20%, now you're up 20%. Now, if that stock goes down 20%, you're down 20%. The chance of one stock going down 20% is infinitely greater than an ETF going down 20%, assuming we're talking about the SPY here. Can they both do it? Yes, 100%. As we saw earlier this year, the S&P was down, a pretty big number, seemingly instantly. So I think for the most part, buying the ETF is the better route, especially if you're not going to work with a financial advisor. If you're just going to do it yourself, just buy, a couple of different ETFs. Look around, and I don't want to make a recommendation because I don't know you, Matthew, and I don't know what your situation is. But buying the ETF is probably the